In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for lead generation. We'll walk through creating a blog post in HubSpot, because well-structured content is one of the most reliable ways to attract visitors, convert them into leads, and keep your pipeline healthy. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and opening the Home dashboard. If you're already navigating around, click Home in the main navigation to center yourself on the hub where you can access all your tools. From here, open the Content section. This is your workspace for managing marketing assets, and it's where your blog lives. Select Blog to view your posts and related options. This is the area you'll use to plan, create, and optimize articles that capture attention and funnel readers toward your offers. Click Create. This starts a new asset. Choose Blog as the content type so you're building a standard blog post, and then select English as your language to ensure your templates and settings line up with your audience. Finally, click Create Blog Post to open the editor. Add a clear, benefit-driven title. Keep it focused on a problem your ideal customer is trying to solve. Strong titles improve click-through rates and search visibility, which fuels lead generation. Click into the title field labeled Your Blog Post Title here, and type your headline. Now click the body area where it says, Click to add text. This is where you'll draft your content. Lead with a concise introduction that acknowledges the reader's challenge and previews the solution. Break your ideas into short sections with descriptive subheads, and write in plain language. Provide practical steps, examples, or checklists that your audience can act on right away. Where it fits, include a relevant call to action, like downloading a guide, starting a free trial, or booking a consultation, so engaged readers know exactly what to do next. Link internally to related posts or resources to keep visitors on your site, and add images or simple diagrams to reinforce key points. As you write, weave in the keywords your audience searches for, but keep the copy natural and helpful. Before moving on, skim for clarity, trim any fluff, and make sure your CTA is easy to spot. That's it for creating a lead-ready blog post in HubSpot. Home, Content, Blog, Create, select Blog, pick English, start your post, add a strong title, and write valuable, action-oriented content that points to a clear next step. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.